So here, this is an autonomous equation. And as you can see here, this is only a function of y or the dependent variable. So the independent variable is not explicitly here. So we can call this f of y. So f of y is 10 plus 3y minus y squared, that we can write it as this one. So the critical points of this autonomous differential equation will be 5 and minus 2. And here to draw the portrait face, this will be the y-axis that we have, and we will have the critical points on this axis, minus 2 and 5. And in order to find if these points are an attractor or the repeller, we need to find that in these three regions, the Fy increases or decreases. So in this region from minus 2 to 5, we can pick a value for y. For example, we can pick y as 0, and we can put it here in this equation. So if y is 0, this term will be negative, this term will be positive. And here we have a negative sign. So in total, this will be positive. So since it's positive in this region, it will be increased. And then for here, for this region, we need to pick a value greater than 5. So we can find f of 6. So this term will be positive, this term will be positive as well, and here we have a negative. So in total, this will be negative, so it will be decreasing. Also for this, the last region, we need to pick a number less than minus 2. For example, we can pick minus 3. So here this term will be negative, this term will be negative as well, and here we have a negative. So in total, this will be negative, so it will decrease. So from here, we can see that 0.5, this critical point, everything is going there, so it's attractor. So y equals 5 is an attractor critical point. And also for y equals minus 2, as you can see, everything goes away, so it's a repeller. So y equals 2 is a repeller critical point. So in general, there are three possibilities for a phase portrait. So let's say here is our critical point. So since everything is moving away, here for any number greater than c, the trend is decreasing, and for the values less than c, the trend is decreasing. So we call this critical point unstable or repeller. The other situation is that for the critical point, any value below that has an increasing trend, and greater than that has a decreasing trend. So we call that stable or attractor point. Also for this case, that any values below that has an increasing trend, and also above that has an increasing trend, or vice versa, both of them has is negative and has a decreasing trend. We call that semi-stable critical point.